Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today on my channel. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please do consider hitting the like, share and subscribe buttons, and if you're new here, do check out my other videos. A big shout out to my channel members Art by Sparkle, Travelling Trams, Terry Lechner and Kim Cuervo. I really appreciate all your support. Before I forget, here are some discount codes for colour art, resinas and APS foils should you want to save some money on art supplies. And welcome back my friends to another week's installation of Texture Thursdays with Taslima Maya Art, Oak by Bettina. And this week I'm excited to say we have an amazing special guest. We have Kim's Creations, so do stay tuned. The lovely Betty will be up after me and then Kim will follow. Please find the playlist down in the description box below. So my dear friends, you'll remember in a previous Texture Thursday episode I created homemade texture paste and sculpture paste as well. So the recipe is in my previous video, I'll link it up above. But I've got two colours I've mixed up here using the same recipe, and I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch to it to thicken it up a little, as it's a little bit on the soft side, and I do want to make sure that my petals hold their shape when I create them. So today I'm going to be creating some beautiful sculpture flowers on the backgrounds that I did last week. So last week you would have seen me create about, I think it was 4 backgrounds using texture paste and stencils, and today I'm creating my 3D art on top of this. I'll put all instructions up on the screen as text and down in my description box, so I'm going to play a little bit of music for you now and hopefully you enjoy this. Sit back and enjoy and let me know in the comments what you think. Bye for now.
Something about you isn't right. I swear you can make me lose my mind. Lying here awake at night. If this is love, then I don't want it. Why you gotta be so complicated? I'm sick and tired of contemplating. I don't wanna be here waiting. If this is love, then I don't want it. I can't be the one you keep running to whenever you feel down. I can't be that someone who'll always be there when something's wrong. I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore. I can't depend on you now. I can't rely on you. Why is everything so problematic? Why are you acting so neglected? Feel so cold and unaffected. Swear to God that I don't want this. No. Something about you isn't right. Swear you can make me lose my mind. Lying here awake at night. If this is love, then I don't want it. I can't be the one you keep running to whenever you feel down. I can't be that someone who'll always be there when something's wrong. I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore. I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore. I can't depend on you now. I can't rely. Old days, I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much. until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days, now that we see each other. Can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together.
So although my two-tone petals didn't quite work out like that, I need to really brush up on the technique. I'm doing two-tone leaves, or trying to, and I figured out a different way to do it, and that is actually picking up two separate colours. So here I've got the pinkish colour up the top, the magenta, the green below. I'm picking up the green first and right towards the end, because I want my leaves to have a hint of the blossom, the red petal in it. I pick up some of the pink magenta as well, and I found that was a really good way to create leaves which had a hint of the flower colour in them as well, and really pull the whole thing together. So I'm super excited I discovered this. I'm going to try it with the petals next time, so watch this space. If you haven't hit that bell notification up on my YouTube channel, please do so you don't miss out on future videos, because YouTube unfortunately doesn't show you videos even if you're subscribed. Sometimes it doesn't unless you press the bell icon and all. So yeah, I'm going to do some more petals, and next time I'm going to really try to do the two-tone petal. So I don't know about you guys, I think I've just come a long way from the very first one I did. This is, I think, my third one or fourth one that I've done in terms of a sculpture flower, and I'm so super excited. So the other thing I learned really through trial by fire, making mistakes, is that another way to create leaves is actually pick up all the paste on my palette knife, spray the tile, on a clean bit of tile, with some water so that the leaf doesn't stick to it so much, and then I just press my palette knife down, create that leaf, and then I wash my palette knives, and then because my palette knives are wet, they don't stick to the paste. So here I am scooping up my leaf, and look at how perfect this leaf looks. It's amazing. It's got that beautiful hint of that magenta in there as well. So I picked that up, and it slides right off my palette knife as well, because the palette knife is actually wet. So that's just something I've discovered, a little kind of secret I didn't really know about before. And again, you know, so enjoyable figuring out how to make this easy on yourself and create beautiful leaves and beautiful petals, with the little tricks of the trade that I haven't learnt off anyone, but just discovered along the way. I don't know about you, but this is definitely super exciting to see that this actually has worked, and I'm happy that I'm able to teach and show you how I did it if you want to give it a go. But it's so much fun. There's far less cleanup with this type of art than there is with acrylic pouring, and actually I think less prep in a way. I'm not mixing up dozens and dozens of colours, you know, pouring mediums and consistencies. I'm simply creating a bit of paste in a little bowl and then using that. So I've only really used a couple of colours here, 3 colours I think in total, but look how magnificent this flower looks. I think it's stunning, and it looks different in different light. You saw it in the dark when I did a little bit overnight, and now here in the daylight it's glorious. I really hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. So this is the finalized piece. I'm in love with it. It is up for sale, so get in touch on my email address if you are interested in purchasing it, or if you want a commission done for yourself. I've just shipped out a piece of my art to all the way to Canada, hoping it gets there very soon. But I absolutely love this. I really want to try sculpture flowers more and more. I'm getting really into it with the textured backdrops. I think that textured background with the stenciling is gorgeous, and I want to try different colour combos as well. Maybe different types of flowers, peonies, or you know, a different type of flower altogether. Lilies, there's so many different ones that I could try. Maybe a sunflower at some point as well, using sculpture paste. So thank you so much for joining me. Today we have Oak by Bettina up after me, and up after Betty will be the amazing guest artist that we have, who's Kim's Creations, who's a dear friend. Please do hit subscribe on the channel if you haven't seen her work before, and do follow us on to the next person. The playlist is in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you like this flower, this outcome I've got. I'm waiting for it to now fully cure dry, so that I can maybe possibly spray it with a bit of varnish. But it's gorgeous. Look at it. I love it. I'm lost for words at I created this. Again, I've always loved seeing these beautiful 3D relief artwork on Instagram, and I never thought I'd be able to create something like this myself, but it's just a stunner. Gorgeous. Thank you again for joining me. I appreciate you every week, and I'll see you again next Thursday. Bye for now.
Highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.